You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly, a name of Indian origin, usually from India, Sanskrit word meaning cloud. The pronunciation in India is Megha, not Megha. Yeah, I know too many mispronounce it as Megha. Have you heard Megha before? Do you pronounce it Megha by any chance? Let us know in the comments. Megha, Megha. Do you pronounce it any other ways? Let everybody know also. Megha or Megha, Megha, right? Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.